Hey everybody, this is Kevin Wallace, and I wanted to share something kind of fun with you today. Out of all the videos and audios I've recorded over the years, some of those somehow ended up on my family's iTunes library and got synced to everybody's iPhones. So now for years, when my daughters get in the car and they plug in their iPhone, guess what the first track is that they hear? They hear me lecturing about RTMT, the real-time monitoring tool found in Communications Manager. So purely from memory, here is my oldest daughter, Stacie Wallace, to tell you all about RTMT. Check this out.
Here we're taking a look at the RTMT screen where we're looking at system-log information. The system-log information is going to be able to give us alarms for systems that are stored on the system logs, the application logs, and the security logs. And if you're looking for something that is Communications Manager specific, you would probably look under application logs because Call Manager is an application running on a Communications Manager server, so that's normally where I go. But here on screen we're taking a look to see if the service has stopped unexpectedly.
Wow. Hope you enjoyed that, folks.